Online bargain deals can't look too good to be true, so today we're checking out Ezone Global to answer the big question, is it a real online store or a risky fake? Let's break it down. So Ezone Global looks like an online retailer selling gadgets, home products, and tools with seasonal discounts and free shipping offers. Products range from lawn equipment to coffee machines at prices that seem very attractive. Here's what seems okay on the surface. The site uses HTTPS encryption, so your info is encrypted while you browse or check out. It sets up like a normal e-commerce site with product listings and a cart checkout. Basic infrastructure alone doesn't confirm legitimacy, but it doesn't automatically make it fake either. But here's the reality check. Very low trust scores from multiple safety checkers. A detailed scam site rated about 23 out of 100, which signals unsafe or highly suspicious activity. Many independent customer reviews are extremely negative. Buyers report orders never arriving. No communication from support, blocked contact, and even lost money. On Trustpilot, around 90% of reviewers gave it 1 star, describing it as a scam site. Scam analysis sites point out a very new domain and suspicious sales tactics, with unrealistic discounts and little proof of real business presence. That combination, low trust scores, negative reviews, and non-delivery complaints, is common with fraudulent online stores. So is Ezone Global a real online store? Right now, it leans heavily towards fake or high risk. Low credibility scores and numerous verified reports of orders never arriving suggest you should avoid buying from this site to prevent losing money or compromising your personal info. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos.